Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Roast pork. And I'm going to take the probe and you're supposed to stick it in as far as it'll go. Okay, so we're going to stick it in like that. Get in until it gets to here. Make sure that whatever it is you're cooking, that the point is not coming out. So we have like this. There we go. I'll put it in one more, a little bit more. There we go. Now it's really in there. Okay. Now I'm going to take this. This is a rub, and it's garlic and fennel seed and a little bit of fresh chilies. Okay. And I'll just put this around here. On here. This gives really good flavor. This would kind of remind you of Italian sausage, because Italian sausage tastes good the way it tastes because of fennel seed. It's kind of a licorice kind of flavor. If you don't like licorice at all, or you might not like this, but if you've ever had Italian sausage and enjoyed it, then you probably do like licorice and just are frightened because it's black. But I love it. It's wonderful. Okay, so we're going to go like this. And get in the front. Okay, set that aside. This is going to go into the air fryer. I'm going to put it on the pan, and then I'm going to put this in the air fryer. Okay, so the pork is in, and what you do, it'll give you a menu here, and I chose pork, and I chose 136.4 as my target. And you can see that it's right now, it's 25.3 degrees Fahrenheit internally, and the probe is completely charged, and we will see what it looks like and when it's done. And here it is, our wonderful roast made with our wonderful probe thermometer, and it is perfectly cooked, and we can't wait to eat it. Thank you for joining me on The Good Plate. See you next time.